Maddur, a Karnataka jewel. Nestled in the Mandya district of Karnataka, Maddur is a town that offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. This quaint town is often overlooked, but it holds a special place in the hearts of those who visit. Maddur is a town that whispers tales of a rich past. Its streets are lined with historical buildings that stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Each corner of the town has a story to tell, from ancient temples to colonial-era structures. It is a place where time seems to move slowly, allowing visitors to soak in the serene atmosphere. The slow, moving river and quiet streets create a peaceful environment that is perfect for relaxation and reflection. The town is known for its serene environment. The peaceful surroundings make it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The calm and tranquility of Maddur are truly unmatched. Lush greenery surrounds the area, providing a refreshing contrast to the urban landscapes. The fields and forests around Maddur are a testament to the town's natural beauty. The verdant scenery is a feast for the eyes and a balm for the soul. Maddur is a true hidden gem. Its unassuming appearance hides a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. From its scenic landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, Maddur has something for everyone. Maddur is a haven for nature lovers. The town offers numerous nature trails and scenic spots that are perfect for hiking, birdwatching, and photography. The natural beauty of Maddur is sure to captivate anyone who visits. The town sits on the banks of the Shimsha River. This river is not just a geographical feature, it is the lifeblood of the region. The Shimsha River provides water for agriculture, sustains local wildlife, and adds to the scenic beauty of Maddur. This river is a lifeline for the region. It nourishes the fields and supports the livelihoods of the local farmers. The Shimsha River is an integral part of Maddur's identity and plays a crucial role in the town's ecosystem. It provides sustenance and beauty. The river's gentle flow and the lush greenery along its banks create a picturesque landscape that is both calming and inspiring. The Shimsha River is a symbol of life and vitality in Maddur. Maddur also boasts historical and cultural treasures. The town is home to several ancient temples, monuments, and cultural sites that reflect its rich heritage. These landmarks are a testament to Maddur's historical significance and cultural diversity. These are waiting to be discovered. Exploring Maddur's historical sites is like taking a journey back in time. Each monument and ruin has a story to tell, offering a glimpse into the town's glorious past. The town offers a glimpse into the heart of rural Karnataka. The traditional village scenes and rural lifestyle provide an authentic experience of Karnataka's cultural heritage. Maddur is a place where you can experience the simplicity and charm of rural life. It is a place where ancient traditions meet modern life. The town seamlessly blends the old with the new, creating a unique atmosphere that is both nostalgic and contemporary. Maddur's architecture and lifestyle reflect this harmonious blend. Maddur invites you to experience its unique charm. The town's welcoming streets and friendly locales make it a delightful place to visit. Whether you're exploring its natural beauty or delving into its history, Maddur has something to offer everyone. Come and discover the stories it holds. Maddur is more than just a town. It is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. So pack your bags and set out on a journey to explore this hidden gem in Karnataka. The Shimsha River is a vital part of Maddur's identity. This perennial river flows through the heart of the town. It brings life and greenery to the landscape. The Shimsha is a source of livelihood for many. Farmers rely on its waters for irrigation. The river is also a place of tranquility. Its gentle flow creates a soothing melody. The banks of the Shimsha offer a perfect spot for relaxation. Visitors can enjoy a leisurely stroll or simply sit and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. The river attracts a variety of birds. Kingfishers and herons are common sights. The Shimsha River is a reminder of nature's beauty. It is a true treasure of Maddur. Just a short distance from Maddur, nestled in the heart of Karnataka, lies a quaint village that holds a special place in the hearts of bird enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. This village is known as Kokrebellur. What makes Kokrebellur truly unique is its remarkable residents, the majestic pelicans. These birds have chosen this village as their seasonal home, creating a fascinating spectacle for all who visit. Cockrebellur Pelicanry is one of the largest pelican breeding grounds in India. The village transforms into a bustling hub of avian activity, attracting bird watchers and researchers from across the globe. Every year, hundreds of pelicans flock to this village, creating a mesmerizing sight as they soar through the skies and settle in the trees and rooftops. The pelicans arrive in November, marking the beginning of a vibrant season. They stay until May, during which time the village becomes a sanctuary for these incredible birds. During this period, Cockrebellur comes alive with the sights and sounds of these magnificent birds. Their calls echo through the village, creating a symphony of nature that is both enchanting and soothing. Visitors to Cockrebellur can witness the pelicans engaging in various activities, such as building their nests. The sight of these large birds meticulously gathering materials and constructing their homes is truly a marvel to behold. They can also observe the pelicans raising their young. Watching the parent pelicans feed and care for their chicks offers a heartwarming glimpse into the life cycle of these birds. The villagers of Cockrebellur share a special bond with the pelicans. This unique relationship is built on mutual respect and coexistence, with the villagers playing a crucial role in the conservation of these birds. The villagers consider these birds to be a sign of good luck and prosperity. They celebrate the arrival of the pelicans with joy and reverence, understanding the importance of their presence. Over the years, the villagers have created a safe haven for the pelicans. They have taken measures to protect the birds and their habitat, ensuring that Cockrebellur remains a sanctuary for these magnificent creatures. This harmony between nature and humans is truly remarkable. Cockrebellur stands as a shining example of how communities can live in harmony with wildlife, fostering a relationship that benefits both the villagers and the pelicans. Section 4. Nature's Embrace, Mutati and Balamuri Falls. Nestled in the heart of Karnataka, these two natural wonders offer a serene escape from the daily grind. Maddur is surrounded by natural wonders. The lush landscapes and verdant greenery make it a haven for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Among these are Mutati and Balamuri Falls. These waterfalls are not just a visual treat, but also a source of rejuvenation for the soul. Mutati is a picturesque spot where the Arkavathi River meets the Cauvery. This confluence creates a unique and beautiful landscape that is perfect for photography and relaxation. It is an ideal destination for nature lovers. The area offers numerous trails for hiking and spots for picnicking, making it a perfect getaway for families and solo travelers alike. Visitors can enjoy coracle rides and explore the surrounding forests. The traditional coracle rides provide a unique way to experience the river and its surroundings. Balamuri Falls, located a short drive away, is another scenic gem. The falls are known for their gentle cascades and the soothing sound of water, which creates a peaceful ambience. The cascading waterfalls create a mesmerizing spectacle. The mist rising from the falls adds a magical touch to the scenery, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature enthusiasts. The surrounding forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna. From rare plants to exotic birds, the biodiversity here is truly remarkable and offers endless opportunities for exploration. Balamuri Falls is a perfect place for trekking and birdwatching. The trails around the falls are well marked and offer varying levels of difficulty, catering to both novice and experienced hikers. These natural attractions offer an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you are looking to meditate by the water or simply enjoy the serene environment, Mutati and Balamuri Falls provide the perfect backdrop. They are a testament to the beauty of the Western Ghats. The region's diverse landscapes and rich natural heritage make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to reconnect with nature. Section 5. Echoes of the Past, Sri Ugra Narasimha Swami Temple. Maddur is not just about natural beauty, it also has a rich historical and cultural heritage. The Sri Ugra Narasimha Swami Temple stands as a testament to this legacy. This ancient temple is dedicated to Lord Narasimha, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. The temple's architecture is a blend of Hoysala and Vijayanagara styles. Intricate carvings adorn the pillars and walls. The temple attracts devotees and history enthusiasts alike. It is a place of peace and spirituality. The temple's annual festival is a grand celebration. It attracts thousands of devotees. The Sri Ugra Narasimha Swami Temple is a symbol of Maddur's spiritual heritage. Section 6. A taste of Maddur, the famous Vada. No trip to Maddur is complete without savoring its culinary delights. The town is famous for its Maddur Vada. This crispy snack is a local favorite. It is made with rice flour, semolina, and spices. Maddur Vada is best enjoyed hot and fresh. It is typically served with coconut chutney. The Vada's unique taste and texture have made it popular throughout Karnataka. It is a must-try for any foodie. The Maddur vada is a testament to the town's culinary heritage. It is a simple yet delicious snack that captures the essence of Maddur's flavors. Section 7. Planning your journey to Maddur. Maddur's tropical climate makes it a year-round destination. However, the best time to visit is during the winter months. From October to March, the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploring the outdoors. Maddur is well connected by road and rail. The nearest airport is in Bangalore, about 90 kilometers away. Local buses and taxis are available for getting around the town and its surrounding areas. Whether you are seeking adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a peaceful getaway, Maddur has something to offer every traveler. Come and discover the charm of this hidden gem of Karnataka.